In this video, we show how to place the HPM in a PowerEdge R6725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. In order to remove the HPM, first with all the riser 2 and 4 removed, as well as the OCP, BOSS, and DCSCM and ATA card, as well as processor and heatsink and memory, as well as fans removed. Now we can disconnect any remaining cables and get them out of the way. Disconnect the power, as well as let's move this completely out of the way. There we go. That way it's out. And then remove the last couple cables. With everything out of the system, lift the blue plunger and slide the HPM towards the front of the system and lift it out of the system. To install the HPM, line and lower it into the system and slide it towards the back of the system. Then reconnect all your power and data cables. So run this guy, pull that guy back up, reroute those, connect the cables, this direction. Reconnect your intrusion switch. And ensure your routing is back in place. And I'm going to reconnect the last couple of cables. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R6725, visit dell.com/support.